And welcome to Washing Dishes Around Australia, episode 4. We're at Shelley Beach picnic area. Yes. You hear the koalas doing their mating thing. We saw some koalas in the tree. That was pretty cool. 3 koalas, 1 tree. Luckiest day ever. We did a walk down to the beach. There's a nice private little private beach down there. You can walk for a kilometre, get down the hill. Let's look at these dishes. We got the usual suspects, the coffee we have in the morning, the breakfast bowls, Kellogg's, Tony the Tiger, Snap, Crackle and Pop. Let's chuck them in. We've got something that some people from the city might be familiar with. Keep cup. How do you clean the keep cup? It's complicated in there. Well, I'm not going to teach you how to do it. I'm just going to soak it in the water and pretend that it's done. Listen to the koalas mating. Hooroo.